Welcome to another Tableau tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple word chart. Here's our information, and what we're going to key off of here is negative reason right there. Come to sheet 1. You're going to pull negative reason over to text. You can see it's all listed out. You can put the number of records on the size. Goes to an automatic tree chart. We want to change this back to text, and there you go. And if you want, I'm going to grab the retweet count, put that on color, so not only the size will tell you how often a particular word shows up, but it also, you can show the saturation or how much it's been retweeted. That's the simple answer. Now, something that's a little bit tricky is that you're going to notice that these are all standard answers. So if you have a long text, you're going to have to do other manipulations to narrow down the text, either with using the contains function, or you may have to use it, do something in a different software package and then migrate it to Tableau.